Hello, ma'am.
Hello, sir.
How are you?
I am fine. What about you?
I'm on cloud nine. So, how do you feel right now? As you are standing here for the video, we are going to shoot a long video. So, how do you feel?
Now I am feeling good, but I also feel nervous.
Why are you feeling nervous? Are you not able to speak?
No, I am able to speak, but while watching, I am speaking English, so I am feel nervous.
When we were practicing here and you were sitting here and you were watching us, then how did you feel that time? How were you feeling?
That time I feel good, and
I felt.
I felt good, and in my mind made questions easily.
Oh, that's nice. So today I want to talk about the safety of girls. Are girls safe in India or not? What's your point of view?
In
First of
my
all, talk about Delhi.
opinion,
As
in
you
my
are living in
opinion,
Delhi, sorry, just wait for a while.
Okay.
As you are living in Delhi, the capital of India, okay, and in Delhi we have two governments that are governing Delhi, the central one and the state one. So, what do you feel about Delhi? You also have been living in Delhi since your childhood. You have a great experience about livinghood. What do you feel? Are we safe? Are girls safe or not?
in my opinion, in Delhi, girls are not safe.
Oh my God! Really? You are raising this allegation? Wow.
In my opinion,
Yeah, that's nice. Don't be that. Yeah, I'm just reacting so that that video can be very.
because one day there are many cases in Kolkata, doctor rapes, and lots of cases.
Kolkata is not in Delhi.
No,
We
no,
are talking about Delhi.
sorry.
Yeah, but I want to tell you that Delhi is the state in which
But
there
I
are
give
maximum number of
example.
rapes cases.
Okay.
Delhi, we have maximum number of rape cases.
But now I am not able to remember.
What about other countries?
Other countries are safe, but not properly. There are also so many cases, but according to nahi.
Yeah, wait, take your time. What? According to the need.
According to the need, there are their government are best.
So if I give you some money, okay, if I let you go somewhere, so where would you like to go? Which country would you like to enter?
Uh, my dream country is Dubai, and I want to go there, but from many people listen that their countries are not safe.
Dubai is not safe.
Yeah, I listen.
Do
That's
you
why
know about
I'm.
UAE, United Arab Emirates? Do you know?
I listen, but I don't know
Okay,
about
let me
that.
tell you some points about that country.
Okay.
In that country, you do not have to pay a single rupee to the government. There is a 0% of tax. Okay? In this country, suppose there is a new birth baby, there is a new baby, you have to get his admission done, then there will be no charge for the complete education. From first class to the 12th class, and after 12th class for the graduation purpose, for the post graduation purpose, for the other researches, and whatever he or she will study, that will be provided from the government free of cost. Hospitalization, all the people will be given the best treatment free of cost without giving any rupee. And this is also a rich culture. They have a rich culture. So would you not like to go there? Would you not like to settle your future there? As the government is providing so many things even without paying tax. You do not have to pay tax, but still you are getting a lot of benefits from the government.
Now I am listening you, so I think that we should go there, and we don't give tax and
Like in India, we give tax to the government, but still government does not, you can say, give us that treatment that they should give us. What do you feel about this? Because if you go on a simple street road, the roads are not perfect. Corruption rate is on its peak. Nobody is taking care of no one. Suppose even this is a session of like admissions, and I am a teacher. So today I visited 3 to 4 schools for the admission purpose, and they were like they did not have any intention about education and about literatures and about readings and writings, but they had a great intention about fee structure. They were forcefully saying me, insisting me about the fee structures. They were like, sir, first of all you should have a look over the fee structures, and after that we can continue the talks. So the things have been in that way. And in right now we are living in Delhi. Delhi is the capital of India, and in Delhi, like if there is a parent who has to take his or her children to the school, they have to get the admission, so they cannot get it very easily. Okay, even after paying taxes, even after living in the you can say capital of the country. So what is that reason due to which India is not getting that empowered? India is not getting on that peak where it should go. And when you compare India with other countries have also like problems, but they are much more safer and much more, you can say where you can get more comfort. They are like that countries. So why would people not go there? So in the same manner, if I say you that you have to go to the UAE, so would you like to go there? Because you don't have to pay taxes, you will get all the benefit and essential things, whatever is your need.
Yeah, I would like to go there. Everyone would like to go there because their government are not taking tax, and
They are providing best.
they are providing best बेस्ट क्या बोलेंगे उसको,
Treatment.
हाँ ट्रीटमेंट एंड वो फैसिलिटीज हाँ.
Yeah.
Yes, that's it.
Speak more. I spoke for 1.5 minutes, but you are not. Why? Speak. Talk about the problems of India. If you're living in India, then what kind of problems do you face? Just I talked about, like I went some schools today. So in the same manner, why are you getting hesitated? Talk.
There are many problems in India.
Yes.
Like if you go in a road, like you are going school, so in street there are many crowd and there are many populations from and there are many dust like that, because their government are not able to do. And
Yes, and
I think their people are also not good.
you are not good.
Sometimes
Sometimes
because
you are not good.
sometime I am not good, because when I suppose when I take biscuits, so I throw the paper of biscuits, so that is bad habit. So
But if you know that if you are throwing that packet of biscuit on the road and somewhere else where there is no dustbin, it is a bad habit, then why do you not keep it in your pocket? If
That
you are
time I
aware of your
forgot.
bad habit, yeah, that time you forgot, it was by mistake.
yes.
Now you have not done any kind of mistake, you are aware of that mistake, so you can handle you. And why are you not able to make other people understand about the same thing? Suppose if they are having any kind of items in packets, then they have to throw that packet in the garbage collector, in the dustbin. We can also make them educated about this.
Yes.
Why to
I
leave
will
the country?
also.
Okay, now come to the basic points. Now you have to ask something to me and I will be answering. Ayush, is Ayush absent today?
No, sir, I was sitting outside.
Ayush is sitting outside. Okay, yes.
Some time ago you go in village.
I went to my village.
You went to village. So what do you want to say about trains? That's there are क्या बोलते हैं उसे?
Coaches, trains, accidents.
There are accidents and there are facilities.
Issues, facility issues.
There are facilities.
Actually, you are living in India, and we proudly say that we are Indian. India is rising. India is reaching on the sky, and we are hitting all the limits. No, not at all. You just simply go. You can say, what's the name of Anand Vihar terminal? You simply go Anand Vihar, okay, and you just buy a bottle of water, Jal Rail Neer, okay. There is a correct print of maximum retail price of 15 rupees, but they are going to charge you 20 rupees for that bottle, and they come under IRCTC. This is a railway station. They have opened their shop in railway station, and they are sitting there and they are charging you right there, but nobody will take care of that. The whole government body is there, you know, police are standing there, but still they do not take care of it. In my experience, this time when I went there and I was aware of this fraud, so I went there and I said that bhaiya, give me a bottle of water. So he gave me the water bottle and I gave him 15 rupees. So he was like, what is this? Bhai, 20 रुपए का 20 का 20 का है. I said, भैया यहाँ से 15 रुपए लिखा है, 20 कैसे मांग रहे हो? He was like, लेना है तो लो वरना जाओ. I said, why are you behaving in such a way? There is a maximum retail price which says that you do not have to pay more than this. Then why are you charging 20 rupees? He said, जाओ जो करना है कर लो. Simply, जाओ जो करना है कर लो. I will charge you 20 rupees. If you have to take, so just take it. If you don't have to take, just leave it here. So I was like, why is they behaving in such a way that they are not serving us? They are getting paid on the maximum retail price, but still they are charging more and more. And you know, there were so many police officers also.
Yes.
And he was in that attitude that he is not gonna give it to me on 15 rupees. So I was totally shocked by seeing this, but that time I was not in mood of any discussions and arguments, but that's why I left that. I paid 20 rupees because I was in hurry. Otherwise I would have, you know, called someone, I would have recorded a video, I would have filed a complaint for against him. But in my opinion, if you talk about the services that railway provides us, really bad, literally bad. Actually, we are bound to go, we are compelled to travel by trains, otherwise we would not travel by trains. Trains are not like, they are getting charged, okay, they are getting fees from you, they are charging you, they are taking the fare, but still they are not providing you the facilities. And I am not saying that this is all the mistakes of the government, but I truly feel that the bodies that are working here, the persons and the companies that have taken the tenders of the people, suppose you order something in the train and you do not get it in the right way, you do not get it in the freshness way, then whose mistake is this? When you file any kind of complaint, then there is a committee and there is an arrangement of what happened, guys. Is there any comedy going on due to which you guys have been laughing? Have some patience, please. So these are the mistakes of the people. I don't have a good experience. It can also bother someone. I really don't have any good experience in railways.
Okay, that's it.
Washrooms are not clear, you know. Have you been anywhere by train?
Yes, I saw that thing. I saw.
Exactly. You know, when we go to the train and suppose I have gone to the washroom for the first time, then I will be thinking that at any cost I have to try my best for not going to the washroom again. I will try to control, I will try to manage, because the reason is not that I will waste my time. The reason is that washroom is not even like in that way that we can use that. This is the reason, and we do not go. And this is the level of India, and India is growing. So nice talking to you. And it was the first time when you were here, I think so, in speaking purpose. So tell the people about your experience of English, and we will keep making such kind of videos. We have just started it, and I'll upload daily basis videos. This batch is for speaking batch. I have trained them for the chapters. Now I am making all of them able to speak in English. How to speak in English? This way, they all will be able to speak. So this was her first video. We will see after 20 days or 25 days. You also have to realize her level. So hello, ma'am. Nice talking to you.
Hello, sir.
Say to the people to like the video and share the video and subscribe the channel. Please, for me. Can't you do that?
क्या बोलना था?
Like
to the touch.
Please, no. Think before you speak, okay? Don't be that sarcastic. Think, like the video.
Like the video, subscribe the channel.
Thank you.
Thank you.